Okay, quick. This is my version of Chinese black rice. Probably something a lot of you never seen before. That is the watercolor of the rice. The rice black. No coloring or anything at all in it. But anyways, that. Now, put some chicken in this and go and fry it. Quick. Alright, cool. So back again. Take 2, and then 3, 4. Anyways, enough of that. So, chop up chicken breast. Chop up this. And then you put your seasoning on it and whatever. You know, water, like chicken and blah. So make it go and fry it until they get brown. Now put no coloring, no browning coloring, no at all on it. Yeah, just make it just fry down and fry up and cook up, you know? Cool. And then I have some other different ingredients. Other stuff I cut up. Thyme and onion and celery. Yeah. Parsley or whatever. Yeah. Then have some carrot and thing put in it. And garlic too. Alright, back again. So your chicken might spring some water like this. So you put it one side and make this dry down. You put it back in that pot and make it start like some color, you know? So see, I'll start come back now. Cool. Yeah. And when you finish, you put it back down in here. Make it catch up some color. So just make somebody dry it back until you turn the iron. No? Yeah. Alright, cool. Carrots, chicken. Cool. Alright, right back. Good, back. Carrots in the pot. Kind of separate them a little bit. Now, gonna put in the onion, thyme, and the next one. Whatever. They put the name in it. In the description. Anyways, so next, chicken in the pot, carrot them down this one, rest of stuff them there. So now we want to mix them up, right? And make a little bit of stuff this in these. Yeah, mix them up. You know what? Well, depending on you, carrot can be soft or not. Yeah, just mix them up, you know. Make them want to stick too much either. So then kind of get blown up until so yeah, probably cover this little bit and make them kind of steam up to them parties, and then after those mix up everything. Hey mommy, I want you. Oh, checking in back on the rice. Yeah, that thing I'm doing now, I'm take it out, make it drain, but that's still not cook it, so you need to cook more. So I'm gonna put more water in it. Okay, good. So after the rice finished cook, you put the rice in a strainer, kind of pass some water over it and make it drain. You know what the thing there, what you call? You don't need all the stickiness and everything in it. So you kind of drain a little bit now. See? That cook perfectly. But you don't want all the color. Well, it's not coloring. You don't want the color, the natural color of the rice in the thing. Cool? Now this. These frying up now. Alright, cool. Now we need egg. Put egg in here. Cool. Alright, cool. The base for the fried rice. The reason it look different now is because the egg, fine fried egg in it. And then you have butter. So yeah, alright. So I'm gonna put the bean sprouts and then put the rice after. Okay, cool, back again. Scallion, bean sprouts, garlic. Alright, mix up all the everything, stay one little bit, and then we'll put the rice in it. And then for about 5 minutes and that's it. Alright, cool. Rice in the pot. Ready, you mix everything, right? Mix everything, cool, until everything come together. All right. Somebody say time lapse. All right, cool. So everything is mixed up now. I may talk like this. Still a Jamaican cooking. Anyways, so yeah, this is it. Yeah, Chinese black rice, Jamaican style. Cool. So yeah, you could put like your butter in there and whatever else. The garlic, like I said, either chopped or whatever. That's just how I do mine. I'm gonna let it stay covered for a little bit, and then sample the thing. So this is the end product. This thing tastes good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and devour that right now. As you can see, everything is here. You got carrots, bean sprouts, the black rice, egg, you got chicken. But yeah, all right, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and tear this up, and then whatever, I got a whole pot load left, so whoever is gonna eat out of there, yeah.